The reversal here with the automation, and we got the daily profit reached of $1,000. So we're gonna do a second stage of trading. Okay, we got enough cushion to continue day trading. The volatility is very high, so if we have more trades, we're gonna post them here for you to see live, and we're gonna pause the video, guys, so we can have some coffee and continue trading. Okay, we can do a continuation
Order
trade
filled.
here. Nasdaq is pushing higher. It reversed.
Target filled.
Okay, there you go. This is manual trading, guys. I just did this trade. I saw the conviction arrow, which it was in this big push, as you can see here. Trap traders, of course, they did their profit. Okay, so as you can see, they just got trapped here. Nasdaq was reversing. We got the divergence from the Nasdaq, so the ES will follow. First attempt, profit taking. Second attempt, it always works. Okay, we're gonna pause the video and wait for another trade. This was a good trade continuation, but I didn't take it, guys, so maybe we can see the Nasdaq can reverse from here and take that reversal.
Order submitted.
I don't think so. I don't think so. This market is gonna reverse from here. Lots of selling in the top of this wick. Yeah, time and sale is telling another story. 150.
Order filled.
Nasdaq hasn't reversed yet, but it's trying to reverse. Continue selling. See the tape red. 248. I will hang to this trade and see if we can win this trade. Almost there, guys.
Target filled.
Go. Winner. Okay, guys, so we're gonna pause the video again and see if we can get more trades. Okay. Okay, we got a continuation trade here.
Order submitted.
See if the market can pick it up.
Order filled. Target filled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay guys, this market is getting crazy over here. Try to exit this trade.
Target filled. Target
No,
filled.
I don't think it's gonna work. Nasdaq already reversed, so we're gonna wait and see what happens. We are up 3 winners, 1 kind of a loser, so we're above the linear regression still, but the market is really just don't want to go higher.
Order submitted.
Sellers in the tape. See lots of selling here in this area. It can bounce into linear regression. So
Order
we
canceled.
cancel this trade, guys. We see high speed selling. There's nothing to trade right now, guys. The market just lost its charm. Okay, we're gonna pause the video. Okay, we already got the blue arrow. This market's trying to pull back, but the Nasdaq is gonna push it higher. Nasdaq is crawling to the upside.
Order filled.
You see the breakup on the bar, and then you see all those sellers. It's very confusing.
Sweet.
It's gonna stop
Stop
us out.
filled.
Yes, I know. Nasdaq was diving. Too much volatility. Okay, guys. So we're gonna wait and see if we can recoup with a big leg. There it goes. They're just trying to.
Order submitted.
These guys are trying to fool us, going all the way down to the bar. The Nasdaq needs to reverse in this support area.
Order canceled.
We see a magenta arrow. This can mean a
Order filled.
good short. Give it some room.
Sweet.
Target filled.
Remember about the magenta arrow I told you. This is the reversal. Remember about I told you that when they made that buy burp and then you saw the sell burp, it's just a high frequency trader just getting 1 or 2 ticks with lots of volume. They do all day long, or they're doing this all day long. So you get fooled too. Sometimes a big volume doesn't mean nothing. Okay guys, I'm getting out of here, so I'm done for the day guys. I will not be trading anymore. I need to do some stuff, my personal activities. Too much stress for me today. See if it gets to the target.
Target filled.
Okay guys, we recouped the little loss that we have here, and the other one that was half loss, and we recouped the 2 ones plus 3 winners, more than $1,000 again. So that's how it works guys. This is how the system works. You need to be watching the tape too, you know. For example, if you see a bar, like you see the scenario here, the bar opened with high volume, and then you see 2 ticks later you see the sell burp. Okay, so that means something. You need to be aware of that. Not everything is written in stone, you know. You need to be aware of what you're doing. You need to wait for the prints to come, the arrows to come, and you decide if you trade the green arrows, or you trade the red arrows, or you trade the higher volume, which is the aggressive, the magenta and the blue. Okay, the system is easy to use guys. It's not that complicated, because if you see, for example, over here is too much whipping, you see there's no conviction here, there's nothing to do here, you're not invited to trade here. Of course it's gonna stop you out. Once you see the market start with good volume, you can go with a trade. 1 or 2 dots you can trade. For example, here you see 1, 2 dots. You can wait for a little bit in the market. It stops pulling too much. It's making too much pulling, so the market has indecision. You see the Nasdaq is just standing here. Okay, so the leader is the Nasdaq. Okay, there you go. You see, you can make a trade here. You see we just transition to the short side. Linear regression is going down. Okay guys, so thanks for watching.